Ford Ranger 98 with the original Cadillac converters. It got two on it. We straight pipe it all the way, and with a chrome tip. Ford Ranger 98 with a 3.0 muffler delete. Love it? Love it again? That sounds really good. Ford Ranger 1998 with a 3.0.